All right, guys. Me and Drew are back. We're like starting really late, but you know we're gonna get to it. So not a lot of talking as an intro. So I mean, I got all the parts. The new drive shaft came in. We'll unbox that a little later, and we're just gonna get moving. So I'll check in with you in a minute. Me and Drew are gonna try and figure out like I gotta pull the power steering out. We're draining out the oil for the rear main seal, and then once that's all in, the clutch is all in, we'll move on to a few other things, but I'll update you in a minute. So all right, me and Drew are back finally. Had to go to work again. Drew got all that on the, what's it called? Throwing a blank. Rear main seal? Flux capacitor. So the little bolts, they get torqued to 7.57 foot-pounds. It's 10 Newton meters, which ends up somewhere around 7.57 foot-pounds. And the big ones are, I think it said 13 Newton meters, which ends up around, yeah, it's 10 foot-pounds. All right, so now, unfortunately, though, we couldn't find a pilot bearing puller. So me and Drew got to figure out a way to get the pilot bearing out. So we're gonna have to get pretty innovative. So a torch. Yeah, so we're gonna get doing that, and I'll check back in with you in a minute, and then we'll set the flywheel. So I'll let you know. All right, so me and Drew are just gonna try the bread trick. So I guess you guys are gonna see. We'll see what happens, and I hope it works because we don't got anything else. We bent a tool trying to even pull it out the other way I thought of, but we'll try this first. Is it working?
More bread.
Oh.
How big is it?
My big fat ass keep trying to want to eat this bread.
Yeah, no wonder why I gotta keep going and get more. Probably came out with 5 slices.
Ate the first two.
I was gonna say, probably came out with 5 slices the first time too. Ate 2.
I was like, that's pretty good. It's only gonna take one. Oh my God.
Is that all the fucking bread behind it?
Yeah.
Dude, I would do that. Hold on.
Got the bread in there, baby. Damn, dude, that shit is packed.
No shit.
Oh my God, dude. That hole holds a lot of bread.
You gotta eat a piece, kid.
Eat a piece out the beam?
You gotta eat a piece.
Probably
Shooting a deer and not eating the heart.
Probably turn radioactive. I don't eat that heart. That's it. It's in all the way.
There's a lip on it. It'll bottom out. You can't put it all the way in.
Yeah.
It works.
Schmack. So this is the new lightweight flywheel, and you can see here there's the bigger hole. That's to go there. So that's that. I'm hitting something already.
There's that dowel there. Make sure it goes in the right hole.
Yeah. Hit the flywheel. That's what I was hitting, or the starter.
Throw that piece of shit out.
Let me see. Bolts? No, you don't Loctite them yet. We gotta. It said the instructions say drive it in with 4 bolts, take them back out, Loctite them, and then redo them. We don't.
It's already Loctite. It don't matter.
There, it's off. Don't Loctite it.
This is why you don't read directions.
Oh shit! I already did something wrong.
I'll fire it.
I know.
Batting 1,000, kid.
Batting 1,000. Oh wait, no, that wasn't wrong. This thingy. I think it's seated.
Sure.
It looks like it's level with the crankshaft, so it's got to be. I'd say it has to be. Yeah, that looks right. I don't know how we're gonna stop that from spinning while we put that on. There ain't no way we're gonna be able to torque that.
Well, what's the torque spec?
Probably a lot. Hi. Dog's scared of everything.
He's nuts.
Alright. Go find my wrench. Gonna try while holding it, or?
Yeah.
Oh wait,
It's really dangerous.
Just make sure you
Damn, do I love fake news.
crisscross applesauce that shit.
I saved it. Hold on.
Yeah, it's just crisscross applesauce. Star pattern. Put the wheel on.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
The opposite one at a time.
I don't know, Drew. This is. You have to hold this, or here you do this, and I'll hold it, or something.
Here, how old-
There we go.
Here, how old these ones
My
are.
boy.
Ready?
Oh,
That's how old.
So you jizz
somebody. I was about to say somebody might be.
The same. So shit, hold on.
Somebody doing the dirty in that
Somebody's
thing. Good?
Yeah.
All right. Now,
Starting to understand why it's expensive.
Screwing that bolt toasty up
here,
there.
we're gonna go back to the small, what? I can't leave you around the camera.
Is that in the correct way?
Yeah, it should be.
Just double check. Only want to do it once.
All right, hold on to it then, let me see.
I'm picking up what you're putting down there.
Engine side, transmission.
Yeah, you're right, Drew. Cause,
That seats against the pilot bearing.
okay. Yeah, cause this it says gearbox side in German.
Which makes no
Now
sense
you
'cause
know.
it's made by fucking Saks.
The more you know.
Isn't, where's Saks? Yeah, the more you know, right? I'm gonna do half one way. All right, guys, we got the clutch in all the way, and and as far as we wanted to go with it, and you want the bag? Now we're gonna service the trans, and we got to get, you know, all the bushings in. We're gonna put the clutch sleeve in out here. Or that's what that is, right? Or is that a master cylinder?
Can't say it on YouTube.
What the fuck is it?
Slave.
Slave. And then we got to do. Anyway, we're gonna fully service the whole trans. We'll put you on a little time lapse. If I find anything interesting, I'll let you know. So, I'll get back to you. Anyway, Drew got the what's that? The shift seal. So this is the old one. Shift seal.
Fish.
And that's the new one. So they obviously look a little different. But anyway.
I buggered that one up.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Nah, that's how bad it was. Got a dramatic effect. Yeah.
That's German.
Yeah. So I guess what do you want to drive in with a socket? A socket slit. Oh God.
The old fucking meat hammer.
Old meat hammer. There you go.
That'll work.
Just pop it right down.
Hey, so you know, that goes on inside. Yeah, make sure the seal's on the right way. Otherwise, it don't work too good.
Yeah, that thing's all wound. That thing's like ground down, I think. Caught it. Got it down now. There we go. Rub that shaft nice and good, like, boy. It drives out somehow.
No, there's no fucking. What's for the back of that?
Nothing. It should just drive out.
Use a Phillips.
Alright.
There you go.
There you go. I'll flip her back up.
clip. Well, when you do the seal, right? Good to know.
Yes, sir. All right. Me and Drew kind of just like worked ahead because we had to have Donnie and Jake's dad come in and help us get the trans in because it just didn't want to like pop in right, and we ended up kind of like using the bolts to like run it in, like not like it was like something was wrong, it just you had to pop past the pilot bearing and like go up on an angle. So we did that, and then so we got all that in, the trans is in, the brand new Guybo, whatever the thing's called, in. That's the new upgraded drive shaft. I forget the guy's company. I'll try and tag it if I can see it, but that goes, you know, all the way down, brand new, and that's all new and nice. We did all that heat shielding up there, so that's actually really nice, and now you can see all the bolts. You can almost kind of see it from this angle, but that all worked out. So tomorrow, maybe me, I don't know who's coming, but I got to do the manifold, get that bolt out, get the exhaust hook backed up, and then I need to do the power steering. It's still leaking, you know, so yeah. Anyways, bless you, jeez. Regardless, that'll be it for today, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So I'll check back in later. See you. All right, guys, we're back. Me and Drew like worked ahead again. It's really hard to film and have to work the whole time. We tried to get the clutch bled. It doesn't seem to be bleeding too well. I'm sure we'll figure something out with that. And then we're fixing the power steering now. I'm pulling all the lines and draining it out. I put CHF 11 in it like a dumbass, so I have to change that back to ATF. Oh wow. And Drew just got the exhaust let out with what is that? An air hammer?
Yeah.
All right, an air hammer.
Power buildup.
Yeah. Oh god. I leave that one in. All right, we filled the trans up too. The new plugs are in there. This clutch sleeve right in here is, I don't know. It doesn't feel right. I don't know if maybe when the car's on, it has, since it's connected to the brakes, I don't know if it will give it like a bit different feel. I'm not sure, but finally got that stud out, so I'm gonna move ahead and get it all together, and I guess see how it feels. So I'll check in a little bit, and we're, like I said, we're just trying to move along. Stop. All right, we'll be back. Yeah, so we just got done everything, but I don't think the clutch is bled enough because it's like on the floor. But I don't know. I'm either gonna have my friend Jake look at it and do the clutch or send it out, but I'm just trying to get something going, but it just, yeah, see, like it doesn't work. You have to like kick it into gear. Nice to have it back though. Nice day out. It's like the first nice day in a while. I really don't know if I want to be driving this too much though with that like that. I don't know if that'll mess anything up. And then we'll see. Like I might be able to limp it home, but oh man, I don't know. I haven't heard the clunking since we did the drive shaft, so that's good at least. I think we solved that problem, which is nice because that sounded really awful. But I don't know. This clutch thing's throwing me off because even the bad clutch was easier to drive than this thing is. Exhaust rattled. There's a hanger missing. The kid that owned it before me must have not put the hanger on or broke it and never put it back on. So I need to do something about that. But other than that, everything actually went back together. We only needed one bolt, and I used a grade 8 bolt with a lock washer. It was for the one exhaust to manifold. The stud broke, so we just said screw it. And yeah, I even put on this new Grip Royal steering wheel. Thing's pretty nice. Girlfriend got it for me for Christmas. Oh Jesus. The power steering's fixed. I didn't put any copper crush washers in it when me and Tyler did it before, so that's why I was leaking, so that's fixed. everything's, and now there's ATF fluid in it instead of CHF 11, so it actually turns. So that's great. And then there's new motor oil in it again, because I did the rear main seal. So we should be good, but I need to go get it bled by somebody or have someone look at it because it's just not working. Yeah, this thing's a piece of crap.
You know, you get a nice car like that.
That's why I'm putting a 2JZ in it. She still works good.
Yeah, it definitely still goes. How's it going?
Not good.
What do you mean?
The clutch isn't bled. It's not working.
Alright, well, you have to bleed it more. That's all you can do.
Yeah, so I don't know. I guess I'll have to get Jake to look at it.
It's not working. Shut it back up.
No, I mean, the clutch works. It's definitely grabbing, but I can only pull out the clutch this much, and then it's...
Yes, it's an M3.
All right, so I guess obviously you saw me driving or whatever, but clutch ain't working. We're gonna get something done with that. I think the power steering lines that I just fixed are leaking already, and I don't really know why. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that, but like same spot as before, right at that new copper crush washer I put in, but I don't know. Drew thinks maybe it's just leaking from like residual, just needs to drip off and wipe it one more time. Well, we'll see, but we're all done for, I guess, this weekend. And next weekend, I'm going to have my buddy Jake come out, I guess, and help me try and get it, or somebody, or send it out. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with that. So I'll figure out something. But anyway, that's all I got for today. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.